There are 3 daily disciplines you should be doing, and here is what the very best people do every day. Hey, this is Syed Mohsin, a residential broker, team owner, and founder at Real Estate Sales Machine Academy. If this is your first time visiting my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe below to get insights on how you can grow your real estate business. So tip number 1, they have a powerful routine that fires them up and gets them ready to conquer the day ahead. It might include affirmations, gratitudes, exercise, reading, journaling, reviewing your goals, praying, whatever sets you up to have a highly productive day. Tip number 2, they improve their market intelligence. What's that mean? It means they make it their mission to be the most knowledgeable agent in their market. They look at the daily hot sheets, they analyze the market, they know the numbers. Only when you make this a priority, you can establish yourself as the knowledge broker in your marketplace. Tip number 3, they book an appointment. The most important discipline for sales success is recognizing that your job is always to book the next appointment. Find a new one, follow up on an old lead, do whatever you need to do to create another face-to-face meeting with a prospect or client and move one step closer to your goals. As always, if you find this content useful, like and follow my channel and check out my other videos for more insights to grow your real estate business.